Want to eat more plant-based? Start here. I want to teach you how to eat more plant-based without going crazy. So you're thinking about eating more plant-based, but you're not ready to throw out everything in your refrigerator and become a tofu wizard overnight? I got you. My first tip is just one meal at a time. Start simple. Swap out one meal. Not 1 week at first, not a whole juice cleanse, just one meal. Have a smoothie with some plant-based protein. Do a veggie stir fry, my favorite. Then try a full day. Meatless Mondays were made for something. Pick it up and go with it. My next tip would be go into it with a positive mindset. There's this Go into it with a positive mindset. The mindset shift that changed everything when I went from what am I not having today? What can't I have now that I'm vegan, now that I'm plant-based? Instead, thinking, what am I meant to have today? What veggie can I have today? What grains? What plant protein combo sounds really good? What veggie? Think about it as not removing meat or animal products, but building around the plants first. Now, I'm not saying you have to give up all your favorite meals, but let's just remix them. For tacos, you can have mushroom or lentils or tofu. Burgers, my favorite is the beet and walnut burger, or you can grab some black bean burgers, mushroom burgers, really fuel-packed food. You get to keep all your comfort foods, just snack it smarter. You think you need to eat all the time when you're plant-based, or you're never gonna get full. And I can actually kind of relate to that, because before I got certified in nutrition, I didn't even realize about the plant pairings and how to make food more powerful. I wasn't feeling full or energized, and that's because I wasn't putting fiber and protein together. So that's your pro tip for this. That's gonna be your secret weapon. Think nut butter and oats, or quinoa and black beans, chia pudding with almond milk. It's not just healthy, it hits. Eat the rainbow. It's a super fun rule. Aim to have 3 or more colors on your plate per meal. You could have been doing that without being plant-based, and you can keep that adoption if you go back, but definitely aim for 3 colors. It makes your meals more nutrient dense and more Instagrammable. Try it. Your food will literally look better and your body will feel better. People always say, oh, vegan food, it tastes like, ooh, okay. Have you tried some sauce? Have you tried coconut aminos? Have you tried turmeric tahini sauce? Have you tried sriracha? Have you tried some garlic cashew sauce? Balsamic glaze? Need I go on? Sauce it up, I get it. Some veggies can taste just like veggies, yeah. So put those sauces on it, add your favorite, drizzle it up. Whatever makes it pop and makes you want to eat it, use it. There's no shame in the sauce game. Know your MVPs, your big time winners. These are the few plant-based MVPs that you're gonna always want on deck, okay? Don't leave them on the bench, they're your heaviest hitters. We got lentils, tofu. I really wasn't into tofu for like the first 7 years of being vegan until I had some bomb ramen and some bomb grilled tofu. Try it before you knock it. We got tempeh, which is my favorite breakfast type plant protein, and on top of salads. Then we got black beans. I don't eat a lot of black beans, but I always sub out black beans or beans in general for chickpeas. That's your other pro tip. Sweet potatoes, so delicious. Who doesn't love a sweet potato? Oats, chia seeds, and my all-time favorite, hemp seeds. I put them on mac and cheese. I put it on top of my smoothies. They're affordable, versatile, and absolute staples in my game. If you're anything like me, I love a good dessert. And I'm not saying that watermelon is gonna replace cookies and brownies. There's some really good cookie options. I have a healthy swaps guide that include a bunch of my plant-based favorite cookies. I'll include it in the description below. I like to swap fruit for dessert. It's gonna help with cravings and that sweet tooth, and so that you don't have to quit satisfying that need. Try frozen mango or banana slices with cinnamon, or apples with nut butter, so delicious. Grapes. What is your favorite fruit? Love to snack on some watermelon and pineapple, kiwi. Fruit for dessert is real food, and it really slaps. Keep in mind that it's not all or nothing. I always have this extreme attitude, but you don't have to adopt it into the habit in the beginning. Look, it's not about being perfect. It's just about going for it, giving it some effort, giving it a try, diversifying on purpose. You don't have to do it overnight. Think about it as just progress. Make a little bit of progress every day, every week, every once in a while. Trying something new, feeling how your body feels, noticing how it reacts to the change. Start with one win, and then build from there. You're already doing great. So if you've been thinking about going plant-based, this is your sign. Just try one meal this week. Try one new thing. Try one swap. Tag me if you do. I'll hype you up. And if you want more tips like this, hit that subscribe button. We got so much more to go. Woke up looking for the broccoli, hockey, keep a warrant on me like a mossy.